In this video, we will explain how to install and calibrate an ultrasonic level transmitter.
Ultrasonic level transmitters measure liquid or solid levels in containers by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and analyzing their reflection. Mounting considerations. Mount the ultrasonic transmitter above the liquid. The ultrasonic transmitter detects no liquid surface within 12 inches (0.3 meters) of its face. The transmitter should be mounted vertically to ensure an optimal echo from the liquid surface. Obstructions in the tank or well can create echoes that may be mistaken for the actual liquid surface echo. Such obstructions include rough walls, seams, and rungs. Avoid applications where heavy condensation could form on the transmitter face. A sunshade is recommended if the transmitter is placed in areas where direct sunlight can create high temperatures on exposed surfaces. Flange accessories and bracket kits are available to assist with the installation of the ultrasonic transmitter. The parameters outlined here are adequate for a basic level application. Transmitter base units. Transmitter bottom reference or empty. Setting 4 mA and 20 mA levels. Setting the output damping. The base units for level transmitters are generally metric, but the display units can be changed to rescale measurements from meters to feet or inches. Transmitter bottom reference or empty. This parameter is crucial for calibrating and configuring the ultrasonic level transmitter. The transmitter's bottom reference is the vertical distance from the transmitter face to the tank's zero level along the ultrasonic beam path. Setting 4 mA and 20 mA levels. The zero level indicates where the transmitter begins measuring the process value. It is not necessary to have the 4 mA output start at the zero level. The 4 mA level may be set above or below the 20 mA level to suit the monitoring or control equipment. Any ultrasonic level measurement gives 4 to 20 mA output based on span distance. Setting the output damping. The damping value is a time constant in seconds and is applied as smoothing to the level reading and the output current. Programming of the transmitter is now complete. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.